Today was that day of the month when you go, it's hair removal time. Now I'm headed out. I can really not go out for long periods of time. It's crazy. When you see good lighting, go for it.
Talking to someone and having a phone in the middle.
Yeah, exactly.
Vlog,
we are
The
talking.
light is good here.
Light is
The
good.
sunshine
Hi,
is golden
everyone.
hour,
There
na.
are 3 people who watch my vlog. Please don't be mean. I've come to meet a friend. He's come from Bombay. Yathash, come here.
Hello.
This is Yathash. So I'm out. I've stepped out after I think 10 days. I hurt my back. Stop making faces. Vishal is here. He's Yathash's friend. I only meet him with Yathash. They're making fun of me and judging me, which is life. Trees. I love trees. I love grass. We're going to go and walk on grass in some time. Vishal, stop laughing. What's so funny? Look at the sun. Wow.
Done with it.
Go walk on grass now. Still walking. I haven't posted because I was just going through something. I'm always going through something. But now I'm reading this book in which it said that I should be nicer and say nicer things and not even joke about things. I'm also coming with you all, yeah. Don't leave me alone. I can't walk on grass for so long. 10 minutes. I take walking on grass very seriously. I see grass, I walk on it. I think there's a storm. I met a baby and I saw this musician who was so good. I think there's a storm, there's an actual storm. I think I've lost my touch of shooting because it's just not looking as nice as I would want it to. I think I'm just being a little moody, cranky. That's what I am most of the times. I met this baby today. I'll post a clip of the baby. She was so cute. I love children. I've always loved children. It's like children and puppies, my favorites. I don't think I'm going to get cute pictures here because the lighting's a little confusing. But I'm going to try because we all know if I'm one thing. I'm a tryer. I try. That was a thunder. People die of that. Like, anyway. Walk here for a bit. I was thinking of going for this book fair thing. But then if it rains, I don't know, maybe go home. I don't want to get wet in the rain. It's so nice to walk on grass, honestly. So as I was saying, I haven't been posting. This tree looks like, look at it. It's a massive tree. So I haven't been posting because I was a little demotivated. And what happens with me is like I'll meet people and then I end up giving them so much of my energy and I just look at the best in people, and then sometimes what happens is I get let down by how they behave. I'm speaking about like professionally, because people just don't get work ethics. They just cross the line. They don't understand what is right, what is wrong, what is acceptable, what's unacceptable. And also what happens a lot is I get these messages on Instagram where men will act like they are, like, even from business accounts and stuff, like from their own brands page and everything, they'll message and they'll be like, oh, there's some work, give me your number. And I'm like, you don't need to give a number for anything, you can just give your email ID. And a lot of times people just don't have boundaries. They just think that you can just start a conversation with someone or waste someone's time under the pretext of work. It just disappoints me because I also get upset if people message me at like an ungodly hour. I feel like work things should only, like, you shouldn't message people regarding work also post a certain hour. It's just not right. That's why I was upset and I hurt my back. I was practicing yoga and I was actually, that morning I remember I woke up and I was like, should I just stay in bed? But then I ended up going out and then I realized that I shouldn't have because I hurt my back. And then I'm reading this book about how your conscious and subconscious communicate with each other and you can actually heal yourself and all that. I hurt my back really bad. I couldn't stand. But 2 days later, thank God, I'm better. So now I can't wait to go for a walk. I think it's just all interrelated. I also didn't go for a walk for a couple of, like, for 2 days. So I just feel a little off, and I also feel like I am very hard on myself. Everyone is, I feel. I just felt like I like rewards. Like I like to be rewarded. So I thought that I'll start posting and blow up on YouTube. But that's not happened. It's okay. So now I'm gonna enjoy the journey. I'm not gonna worry about the result. I'm just gonna do this because I like doing it. I'm documenting my life. I'm just gonna look at it as that. I hope this thing is recording because I'm just talking, holding a phone up, which is, like I say, it is what it is. But the lighting is good. I think I'm gonna get some pictures here. I'll ask my friend to click some pictures. So what I'm actually doing is just walking on grass because it's the best thing to do. I also want more female followers. Not that I have anything against male followers or I'm being sexist, but I just want to like have a community where I can share things that are beyond my exterior, like what's on the outside, and have nothing to do with how I look. It's more like you build each other up. It's more about what's. I mean, it could be that way with men also, but then I feel like with men, they just. I don't know, maybe I'm just being judgmental, but I want a like nice community where it's more interactive. I can learn things, I can teach you all things. That'll be fun. So, what is this? That's an interesting species of grass. Is it pokey? Ooh, it's pokey. I love being outside. Love trees. Love the grass. Oh, I didn't tell you all where I am. So I'm at Sundarban. It's in Pune, in Koregaon Park. It's a really old establishment hotel. And I don't know, I just like it. I remember when we used to have shows in Pune, they used to have us stay here sometimes. And there used to be peacocks here in the morning. And my friend is staying here. And I asked them if they saw peacocks. It's just so pretty. Look at the sun. It's so pretty. So that's about it. That's what I had to say, and I did see it. Bye. Using the light is coming from there, but it's better this way, and I just shot this whole thing in horrible lighting. So I'm just walking on grass and to sum it all up, I'm going to try to post more. I'm going to be more consistent. I don't know what to post, and sometimes I just don't feel like talking, which can be a problem. I don't know, I just feel like I'm such an emotional person that I'm always going through something and I want to be, look at the bright side. So that's what I'm going to do now. Just having one of those weeks. Am I on my period? Yes. Does it have anything to do with it? I don't know, because this happens a lot where I just think about things. Yep. And I think walking on grass is like therapy. It's word vomit right now. Look at the grass though. Do you think it's going to rain right now? I mean, by the time I posted it, I've already rained or not rained. I don't know how the light's not good on this side. It's crazy. I thought I'd know about lighting by now. I may shoot tomorrow, so that's exciting. I'm still figuring everything out, the concept and everything. I think I'll post this tonight. So give me some good ideas. What do you think I should post? What do you think I should shoot? I like doing these test shoots. It just keeps the creative juices flowing, and I like to also upgrade my folio, like my pictures. I don't know, I just feel like if a picture is a few weeks or a few months old, that's not how I look anymore. I feel like we all evolve. It's just in my head. Anyway, that's all for today, folks. I hope you all liked this. I mean, I did. How am I outside and still sweating? Look at those trees.
I don't know if this is normal, but the amount I report to my parents, I don't know, I just feel like if I do end up with someone, I'll have to constantly tell him where I am. And if I don't, then I'm just gonna be like, this is weird, this is an odd feeling, not reporting to someone constantly. I don't know, it's a full time job being a child, a daughter.